hands. Put the phone down now. Sit. Lay down. Put the phone down now. Sit. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Put the phone down. Stand up, okay? Stand up. You're good. Stand up. I got you. Hey, you're good. You're good. All right. Stand up. I got you. You're gonna be okay. Stand up. I got you. I'm gonna detain you for right now, okay? Let me get your phone. I'm gonna set it on the ground so we don't break it. All right?
I didn't run from you. I didn't run from you.
Are you okay? That's fine. These come off just as easy, all right?
What the fuck?
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Sorry, 9, we got two detained, car secure.
Can you put it in my pocket?
Two detained, 1534.
Is there anything in pockets we need to know about?
No, nothing.
All right.
Here, you can check.
You're okay, all right?
Be a temp tag, Charles.
Who's in the car with you?
Hey.
It's your dad? Okay. Do you know why he took off running? Do you know why he took off running?
No.
You got it. I can't breathe. I'm fucking get off.
All right, he's going to be okay, too. Don't worry about it, all right?
Me and I can't breathe.
You're okay. Everything's going to be fine.
Stop pulling away from me. Stop moving. Stop. Wow. Stop. Where's the sergeant? Stop. Get off of me, dude. Stop.
I'm going to pull your mask up, okay? You're okay? You're not hurt at all?
No.
In the ambulance training?
I'm scared.
Everything's going to be good. Don't worry about it, all right?
For units out on Jamesville, we're going to take the patch off of Interrupt 1 and Metro East. The detail will be on
Can I
Interrupt
call my mom?
1.
Yep, we'll let you make some phone calls in just a little bit, okay? He's okay. He's okay.
Are you in here?
He's all right.
Why the fuck do y'all not let me?
Here, do me a favor. Let's go over to the side of the car, okay? You're good. You're good. You're good. It's all right. Where's your mom at?
She's at home.
Okay. All right.
Why y'all got my son in handcuffs, bro?
Here, let's go over to my car. We'll get you out of those handcuffs, all right?
Take him out of handcuffs.
Okay. I was actually just taking him over to the car to do it. All right, you're good. Do you want to call your mom?
Yeah.
All right, we can call your mom.
You want to have a seat right there on the
Yep,
curb?
go ahead and sit on the curb, all right?
Right there.
You're good. You can stand. You can sit. It's up to you. I get it.
Hello?
Yes.
You have to come back.
I got to come pick you up.
I don't know.
What is it? Huron Street?
Here on
The
Street?
Kroger on Huron Street in 94.
Kroger on here on Street 94.
What do you mean? What's going on?
My dad got pulled over.
Oh, my motherfucking God. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm coming from Pittsfield. Tell them I'm on my way.
Okay, just tell her everything's okay. He's all right.
Okay.
So just hurry, but don't hurry, okay? We don't want you to get into an accident.
Okay,
He's okay.
Where? Huron Street where?
Huron Street 94. We're at the Kroger.
At the Kroger by,
McDonald's.
There's a powerhouse
the
gym
Kroger?
there. A Shell station. We're right behind the Shell station.
Okay, I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
Okay, and your son's fine.
Okay.
Y'all good? You need a water or anything? You thirsty? Gatorade? Hey, Cassette, can you? I'm gonna grab him a drink.
Okay.
You want a Gatorade or a water?
Gatorade.
All right.
Thank you.
Yep.
Can you it's a bag in the car and it's green and
Yep.
it's my grandma's gift.
I never,
Okay, yeah, we'll make sure we get everything for you.
I got your.
They're gonna have to do some things with the car just because, you know, what happened. But yeah, we'll definitely make sure we get that for you. Don't worry about that.
Let me see what's going on. I mean, where y'all at?
I don't know.
Man, so where is your surroundings? Where are you at?
I'm next to Coney Island.
It's Huron near Whitaker.
Hey.
Hello.
Huron.
Don't start crying. Your mommy on her way?
Yeah. Okay.
Call me when you get home, okay? I love you. Be strong. You try to follow me, okay?
I know I asked you, but you're okay. You don't need the paramedics to look at you at all. Didn't hit your head.
No.
Seatbelt was on, all that good stuff. Okay. And like I said, sorry about that initial stuff. All right.
My dad. Dad wants to go over there.
You wanna go see your dad?
My dad.
Don't forget your Gatorade. Mom's on her way.
You guys all still on or no?
What's that?
You guys all still on or no?
I'm still on.